is what Roxy just found, which is wonderful. This is about medium size, walnut size. This is about your average truffle. It's kind of looks like a lump of coal. It's not very attractive, but it's quite wonderful and it smells heavenly. Traditionally, eggs brouillade can be cooked either with a bain-marie, which is over water very slowly, or in a frying pan. You want to cook those eggs extremely slowly because what you want to do is you want to achieve a very creamy consistency and not lumps like what you have, you know, when people do scrambled eggs and there's just big lumps of eggs. Bon appétit.
Merci.